Today we're going to be looking at the Hi-Point 9mm Carbine. As you can tell from the looks of it, it's definitely no MP5. But for those who are looking for a nice carbine that's inexpensive and won't break the bank, this might just be what you're looking for. It has an overall length of about 31.5 inches and sports a 16.5 inch barrel. The whole thing only weighs about 7 pounds, so it's nice and light, easy to carry, and best of all, your price on this is going to be roughly around $300. It may be a little bit higher depending on where you find it, but it's pretty inexpensive for what it does. You can't see it from here, but the sights are an aperture sight, so they're very accurate, both up close and at a distance. They give you two 10-round magazines included, and then they also give you this nice foldable vertical grip. I usually keep it folded myself just because I don't really need it, but I do like that extra curve that they have on the handle so that when it's folded, it still gives you a little bit of a grip. About the only downside I've seen to this rifle is that nobody really makes a working extended capacity magazine. ProMag's the only company I've seen that makes anything that sometimes works. They make a 15-round mag, but honestly, I've had no luck in the 3 different versions that I've tried. Hopefully at some point, Hi-Point will get around to making some extended capacity magazines for this. So let's go take this out and see how well this does.
Problem with that plate, there's so many holes in it already. And I knocked my plate off. Alright, I'm gonna have to set it up again.
As you can see, the rifle is very accurate and very reliable. We put about 1,200 rounds through it. In all of our time testing it, the only time we had an issue was when we tried to use the 15-round Pro Mags. Every single time we tried to use the 15-round Pro Mags, we ended up with failure to feed. The only time we could get it to semi-reliably feed is when we had about 12 or 13 rounds in the magazine. Other than that, the gun is excellent, very reliable, inexpensive, lightweight, and for a lot of people, this is a great alternative to any sort of a carbine conversion kit or going out and just buying an MP5. So thanks for watching. This is Destroyer, signing off. Here in the Destroyer Education Network, we get a lot of opportunities to test out different products and find out if they're really all they're cracked up to be. These are products that we want to make sure will actually work out in the field and won't break down when you need them most. So if you're looking for gear that's going to be reliable and will work properly and won't give out on you, take a look at the Den Gear Store. A lot of the products that we've reviewed are also offered on our website. Just go to www.destroyer.net and click on the link that says Buy Den Gear, and that will take you to our website, which has a lot of great products ranging from knives to optics, different gun accessories, tactical gear, survival gear, you name it.